Yehuda speaks to Yosef, and he says to him, Vayomer Avinu, Shuvu Shivu Lanu Me'at Ochel. Our father told us, go and buy us some food, little food. And we answered our father, Lo nuchal laredes im yesh achinu hakaton itanu ve'yaradnu. Ki lo nuchal liros pnei ha'ish, ve'achinu hakaton einenu itanu. If our little brother comes with us, we will go. If our youngest brother doesn't come, we won't be able to, because we won't be able to see the man's face if our younger brother is not with us. Rabbi Yoshia Pinto, the Rif on the Ein Yaakov, in his Sefer Zchus HaRabim, explains this in a totally different way. This is a conversation between Klal Yisrael and HaKadosh Baruch Hu. B'derech Remez explains the Rif. Vayomer Avinu, and our father told us. Who is our father? Our father in heaven. Avinu sheba shomayim HaKadosh Baruch Hu. He told us, Shuvu. Shuvu from the language of tshuva. Do tshuva, come back, get close to me. Shivu lanu me'at ochel. Says the Rif. In Sfifri HaMekubalim, in the Sfarim HaKadoshim, it says that one can do tshuva by afflicting himself, by fasting. Shuvu, do tshuva. Shivu lanu, break the lanu. What is lanu? Lanu is 86 in Gimatia. Lamed is 30, Nun is 50, Vav is 6. That is 86, and that alludes to Elohim. Aleph, Lamed, Hey, Yud, and Mem, that is 86 as well, and Elohim is always Midas Hadin, strict judgment. So when you do tshuva, you break the Midas Hadin, you turn it into compassion, into mercy, into chesed. How do you do that? Says HaKadosh Baruch Hu, you think you need affliction? You think you need fasting? No. What's needed is only me'at ochel, little food. And that alludes to the famous Tainis HaRavid, the fasting of the Ravid. The Ravid from the Rishonim says that if one sits down to eat, and he doesn't finish everything on the plate, he's dying to eat that little extra piece of cake that's there, but he doesn't. Especially if the food is very tasty. That is considered like 2 days of fasting. That is a tremendous thing, to be able to control one's desire. Says HaKadosh Baruch Hu, Shuvu, do tshuva. How? Shivu lanu, break the lanu, break the 86, break the Elohim, the Midas Hadin, by me'at ochel, by eliminating that desire to finish everything. No. Pull your hand out. Pull your hand out from the plate. Don't complete everything on the plate. So what do we respond? Vanomer, and we said, Lo nuchal laredes, we can't go down, but laredes also is from the language of lirdot, to rule over, to conquer. We won't be able to conquer the Yetzer Hara. So how do we do this? Im yesh achinu hakaton itanu veyoradnu. If our little brother is with us, then we will be able to conquer. Who's our little brother? Yetzer Hara comes into a person when he is born, but Yetzer HaToiv only comes when the kid is 13, when the girl is 12. So our younger brother is the Yetzer HaTov. If our younger brother is with us, then we will be able to conquer the Yetzer Hara. Ki lo nuchal liros pnei ha'ish, we won't be able to see the man's face. Who is the man? The ish. Says the Gemara in Soitam and Beis Amud Beis, ve'en ish el HaKadosh Baruch Hu. Ha'ish alludes to HaKadosh Baruch Hu, as the Pasuk says. Hashem ish milchama. We won't be able to see Hashem's face, to be zoiche, to see pnei shchina, if we don't use our younger brother, Yetzer HaTov. Lo nuchal liros pnei ha'ish, ve'achinu hakaton eneno itanu, and our younger brother is not with us. But if our younger brother, the Yetzer HaTov, is with us, then we will be zoiche to see pnei shchina.